Yeah, hi, I'm going to show you how to play an E sharp chord on the piano, an E sharp major in fact. Now please notice that the E sharp chord is a bit special because if you want to sharpen your note E, this place on the piano, you don't have a black key to sharpen it with. So to sharpen this E, you in fact have to play just one key up as usual. This key. This key is called E sharp. But as you'll notice, it's also the key F. And in fact, the E sharp chord is precisely the same chord as an F chord, just so you know. But let's have a look at it in theory. You see, this is the E chord. Maybe you know this already. Now, if we want to sharpen the E chord, we'll do this with all the notes. So, the E chord, we sharpen the E, go up one key. Now this is called E sharp. And this is where it gets a bit tricky, because we have to sharpen the G sharp. It's already a sharp note. So in fact, this one is called G double sharp. So now you have E sharp and G double sharp. And the last note we have to sharpen is the note B. So in theory, this is called B sharp. Still in theory, it's difficult to say. This one is E sharp, this one is G double sharp, and this one it's B sharp. But, you know, for your convenience in this exercise, I'm going to refer to these notes as, I'll keep this root note with its right name, E sharp, but I'll just call this note A, only because I know that you know now that it's in fact called G double sharp, but I'll call it A. And this note, it's B sharp, I'll just call it C. So we have the E sharp, the A, and the C, right? So this is in fact an E sharp chord. Now, because the E sharp chord is also a triad, it has 3 notes, right? It also has what's known as 3 inversions. This one is called root inversion or root note inversion because it has a root note at the bottom, the E sharp. To make the next inversion, simply move the bottom note to the top like this. Move your hand. This is called E sharp first inversion. To make the next inversion, again move the bottom note A to the top. This is E sharp second inversion. Now you'll notice if we make one more inversion, moving the bottom note to the top, we will in fact be back at root inversion with the E sharp. Now you can also do this backwards, downwards on the piano. We have the root inversion E sharp. We move the top note to the bottom like this, move the hand. This is E sharp second inversion. Move the top note to the bottom. E sharp first inversion. Root note to the bottom. E sharp root inversion. Okay? Let's just do it again. E sharp root inversion. First inversion. Second inversion. Root inversion. And the other way, root inversion, second inversion, first inversion, root inversion. Now, to practice your E sharp chord, do like this with the inversions. And lastly, I'm going to show you how you can practice the inversions using arpeggios. Do like this. There you have it, the E sharp major chord. So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. Do you want more free piano chord stuff? How about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course? Or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordcharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.